What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, man. And today I have a fire tutorial for you guys. But before we get started, man, y'all go ahead, hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you can see whenever I drop more videos. In today's video, man, I have a women's texture cut. We're just gonna do like a low taper on each side, and we're gonna also do a soft blend on the back. All right. Being that she wanted to keep the low taper and we doing a soft blend on the back, I chose to start with an outline. Just do a lineup because I want to make sure I keep that shape and that fade low and kind of like give it that dark contrast. Alright, to those of y'all who do have women clientele coming in with texture haircuts, y'all understand how hard this actually is, right? Not an average barber can actually cut texture hair, right? So you gotta make sure you can get that fade in the right place. You know what I'm saying? You want to take your time. You don't want it to be too high. Any mistake can make a haircut look really bad with texture hair. So I usually do cut more weight off with the shears and a razor comb, but for this haircut we just keeping it simple, so there's no need for all that. I may have a tutorial on that haircut whenever we do decide to go back to it, but for now this style pretty much works for her. Pay attention as I'm using the corners for her hair because texture hair is more like straighter and very fine, so I'm making sure I'm using the sharpest points of my blade. Slowly trace a C that matches their head shape. My first guideline, I'm gonna go open and I'm gonna kind of slant it no higher than the top of her ear. Now I'm gonna kind of go over it and start blending with the one guard, making sure I'm flicking out. I don't want to dig in it too much. All right, comb and flick out. Keep doing this process until you are satisfied with the perfect blend. Remember, patience is key. Whoa. So there you go. Now y'all starting to see that gradient look, that dark to light. And I kind of got it going in almost like a perfect C shape. And it's crazy because I'm doing all of this with one guard, bro. I bypassed so many steps that could have been used, but I'm so used to doing this, bro. It's like second nature. But I don't recommend everyone doing this. Like, learn the different hair types first, and then as you get better with your hand and you know the coordination of everything, then I suggest start trying new techniques. So I'm gonna knock that blend out with a 1.5 guard. Not too much. It's still gonna kind of keep it dark, but it's gonna be just soft enough to still give it that dark to light feel. Versus if I use a 2 guard, it's gonna stretch the fade out and I don't want to give it that. The key look for this cut is to keep the fade very compressed. And now it's time for touch-ups. I'm going back and forth, open and close until I'm satisfied with the cleanup. As y'all know, this step is called detailing. I'm gonna throw a 0.5 guard on there and then like knock out those lines that I recreated. Yeah, y'all, this fade is looking amazing. So I'm gonna use my trimmers just to do a final cleanup, get it the closest to bald as possible. Y'all know I bald out last mostly all the time, depending on how I'm feeling. But once again, I'm gonna re-go over the lineup and just do like slight touch-ups on whatever I see. Alright, gang, so I hope y'all got the steps down. Same thing I did on the other side, I'm gonna do for this side, right? So I'm gonna just let y'all watch this. Yeah, man, that's coming out good. I'm gonna do a few touch-ups, you know what I'm saying? Get her haircut looking more sharper. Cause I love detail work, man. It's blended in well with the weight. She can brush it, she can comb it, wash it. It won't go anywhere, I promise you. No enhancements, all natural work, bro. So for the neck taper, we're just gonna do a low blend, a soft blend, right? Meaning more of a shadow fade, like not balding it out at all. I'm gonna use a one guard open and then down to close, just back and forth until that blend
there's no lines,
blurry. But the different steps, I'm not gonna use open or close to blend it out. I'm just gonna do like one guard and maybe a 0.5. But this is the finish. I hope y'all love it, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if y'all want to see more videos. Thank y'all for all the support. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. I love y'all.